Chapter 35 Rainy Season. Hello, friends. Today, let's talk about the rainy season. It's the time of the year when the clouds pour water from the sky and everything around us feels fresh and cool. To stay dry when it rains, we use an umbrella. Sometimes, we also wear a raincoat to protect our clothes from getting wet. On rainy days, we wear gumboots so our feet stay warm and dry. One of the most fun things in the rainy season is making a paper boat and watching it float in the water. And when it's raining outside, a hot bowl of soup keeps us warm and cozy. So friends, the rainy season is full of joy, splashes, and warmth. Just remember to stay dry and enjoy the magic of the rain.